Hello everyone, my name is Barbara. I'm a Polish girl who lives in Ireland and likes to knit, and today I have unboxing for you, and this is my second box that I opened this month, which is January 2019. And this subscription that I'm receiving is from KnitCrate. Here's their website, but I'm going to put the affiliate link down below, so if you want to check it out, you can use KL20 and get 20% off for your first box in any subscription you pick, because KnitCrate has 4 subscriptions. One is a sock crate membership. I opened it before, so I'm going to put a link at the end over here. And next one is KnitCrate membership. And those two involve in-house brand of a KnitCrate, very good yarn. And the other two are artisan boxes, which means they collaborate with indie dyers. So it helps up small companies to get their yarn out there to loads of people, and it helps them a lot. And one is a sock artisan and another one is artisan crate. So let's start. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. If I know the answer, I'll answer. If I don't know, I'll try to find an answer. Okay. Woo! So this one is KnitCrate membership. I got this. I love bronze lately. I'm not sure, have you noticed, but I'm knitting a sweater in bronze. Love it so much. And I got a yarn sweater quantity in bronze. I don't know what's going on. Battery. Okie dokie, so this is the yarn, and in this membership, in this subscription, which is KnitCrate membership, you're getting 2 skeins. The idea of it is that it's in-house brand, and the surprise is the weight of the yarn, so how thick the actual strand is. That may change, and also the color may change too. KnitCrate has something like that, a sneak peek. They send you an email before they actually start subscription, so you can have a gist what's going on. And with this crate, we had 2 colors overall. One was really beautiful, one is really beautiful pink, and then this brown. I'm going to show you, because not only we're getting 2 skeins, we're getting also this booklet. And used to, it was just 2 patterns. With this subscription was a crochet pattern and knitting pattern. So basically you can use this yarn and knit patterns from this booklet, but extra what they do, they also give you a pattern for a sock crate, so the same in-house brand. If you get artisan box, you also get an extra pattern from the second box, but unfortunately you will not get a yarn, so that's the kind of tempting. So it is a kind of a temptation for you maybe to get a second box. So here it is, and those 2 skeins, and I can show you what in reality they look like this. Right, and then this lovely pink. Do we have names? Nope, I can't find it. But look, you can make a cowl, which is a knitted cowl. And for this, they recommend 8mm needles, gauge 12 stitches by 16 rows. And we have 2 designers, and I'm just showing you that much because normally on the bottom there give some extra discounts sometimes, but you can read. And the next one is this beautiful crochet project Ambrance, and it needs 5mm hook or US H8, and gauge is 14, DC stitches. Don't know what DC means. Decrease crochet stitch? I don't know. 12 stitch. I'm not a crocheter, so I'm not helping you out over here, but check this out. Who would not want to have this? Oh, and it is in this color. And just a sneak peek, also a pattern included in this is this beautiful pattern for socks. So are you tempted to get a box? Or you may find something similar in your stash to create this beautiful, beautiful socks. If you're a sock lover. Right, at the end you have a sneak peek for next month. This is the inspiration, and these are the inspirations for the next month. And that's that. So let's go back to the yarn, and the yarn we have Vidalana, and this is Vidalana ambient worsted. I'm still not sure how to pronounce that. I'm going to show you in a second screen. But that means that it's 100% that means that there's a certain blend over here, and we have 100% Peruvian Highland wool worsted weight. We have 201 yards, which is 183 meters, and the colorway is whiskey over here on the screen, so check it out, please do, because just in case. And here is a Vidalana. Check this out, so beautiful. Okay, I think that's all. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. Before that, check the links that I included over there. You can find KnitCrate Instagram, Ravelry page, and so on and so on. So I hope you enjoyed this one. See you in my next video. Bye!